Welcome to a short video on how to calculate the percentages of the different products that are formed during the radical halogenation of alkanes. If you look at the starting material, I hope that you can see that there's a couple different types of hydrogens on this molecule. There are some primary hydrogens here at these 4 positions and 2 tertiary. So there are in fact no secondary hydrogens on this molecule. If we were to draw the possible product, this would be one, this would be the other. The first one represents the substitution of a primary hydrogen with a chlorine, and the second one represents the substitution of a tertiary hydrogen with a chlorine. So here's primary, there are no secondary, and here's tertiary. So if we were to make our table, we would see that as far as primary hydrogens go, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Secondaries, there's 0. And tertiaries, there are 2. If we consider the relative rates of reactivity of the different species depending on the stability of the radical intermediate, we see that primary has a rate of 1, secondary would be 3.8, and tertiary would be 5. And so if we take the number of hydrogens that we have and multiply it by the factor, we end up with 12 for primary, 0 for secondary, and 10 for tertiary. Now if we add this column up, we see a total of 22. And then in order to calculate the percentage of each type, we take the number divided by the total, and then that gives you a percentage. If you calculate out the primaries, we find out that it's a 55% chance of getting this product right here, this primary. Then if we take 10 over 22, we see it's a 45% chance to get this product here based on the tertiary substitution. And because those two add up to very close to 100%, we're good and we've done the problem correctly. On a test, I will give you these values for both chlorine and bromine, depending on what you need. But just recall quickly that the bromine are a little different, and they have values more like 1 for primary, 82 for secondary, and 1600 for tertiary. So there's a much larger difference between those. I hope this gives a little bit of confidence to you in thinking about solving this problem for the next exam. Thanks. Good luck.